Welcome to another episode of the Added Time Video Guide series. In this episode, we're going to familiarise ourselves with the layout of the system, the options available in the main menu, and what you will see on the home page each time you log in. The first screen you will see when you log in is the one displayed here, the home screen. All of the screens have an identical layout. The main menu bar is displayed at the top of every page on the system and enables you to easily navigate between the various pages on the system. To the left of the menu is an area in which you can upload your logo so that you can uniquely brand the system for your users. Here you can see I've uploaded the logo for a fictitious company we will be using for the purposes of these training videos, Coaching Program Limited. Below the main menu you will see the title bar in blue, which will identify the page you are on, and will usually have a Show Options button, which when clicked will enable you to customize the items displayed on the screen. To the right of the title bar is the page menu area. Here you will find buttons that are specific to the page you are currently viewing. The page content is then displayed below the title bar in the white area of the screen. Let's take a closer look now at the main menu, which you will use to move from one page to another. Clicking on the Home button takes you back to this page, the Home page. Clicking on the Diary button takes you to the Diary page, on which you can view your schedule of events and appointments. The Enterprise version of the system also enables you to view the program by coach or venue. Let's go back now to the Home page and on to the next button. Clicking on the Contacts button displays the Contacts menu, with options to find an existing contact, add a new contact, run a contact query, or run a contact report. Contact is the term we give to any person or organisation whose information you need to store on the system, such as a customer, member, coach, member of staff, venue, school, or club. Clicking on the Events button displays the Events menu, with options to find an existing event, add a new event, create an event template, or run an event report. Event is the term we give to a class, course, lesson, camp or conference that you want to record on the system and to which you can book customers, produce registers, assign staff and issue invoices. Clicking on the Bookkeeping button displays the Bookkeeping menu, with options to issue and maintain invoices, record your income and expense transactions, analyse the financial performance of your program, or run a bookkeeping report. And finally, clicking on the Settings button displays a Settings menu, with options to update the system with your organisation details, your preferences, and to maintain information such as memberships, qualifications, users and training. The Settings menu also has the option to log out of the system. Let's take a closer look now at the home screen. As you can see, it is currently showing me my reminders, a summary of the profit planned for my events, my schedule for the coming week, my recently opened contacts, and my recently opened events. Virtually every item shown on a page on the system is clickable, in that clicking on it will enable you to open the relevant details without having to go to a menu. For example, clicking on Stephen Arbuckle will open his contacts onto the screen. Let's click the Home button to go back to the Home page. You can customize the content that is displayed on the Home page by clicking on the Show Options button. This displays the options available for the home screen. Many of the other pages on the system also have an Options section. You can close the Options section by clicking on the Apply Options button at the bottom, or by clicking again on the Show Options button itself. On the left of the Options area, you can set the date from which the schedule should display and for what period it should cover. The schedule can also be displayed by day, month or by event category. You can specify whether to see just the next section for each event or all sessions for all events. The Show Diary as First screen enables you to tell the system to show you the Diary screen as the first screen when you log in, rather than the Home screen. On the right of this options area, you can select what information you want to see on the home page by clicking on the relevant section. The Recent Items to Show field enables you to control how many recently open items are displayed, and the Show Current Financial enables you to set what period is covered in the profit summary. Once you've set the options, click on the Apply Option Settings button to save your preferences. These are then saved on the system as your preferences for the next time you log in, and other users can set their own preferences in exactly the same way. Thank you for listening to this episode, and we hope you found it useful. You can subscribe to our monthly newsletter full of tips and hints on how to get the best out of added time at www.intoaddedtime.com.